Hi guys, I'm back. Today we're going to work on some addition practice. So I'm going to tell you some things that you can get, then you can pause it and you can go get them, or you can make them and then you can start the video back and you can work with me, or you can just watch me and then you can do this on your own. So one of the first things you probably need is pencil and paper, and on that pencil and paper you can draw some 10 frames. So what you're going to do is draw a big rectangle, and then you need to make 5 spaces on the top. So you'll draw a line in the middle and draw 5 spaces in the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then draw 5 spaces below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So actually it should look like this. I had two 10 frames on that side. Then you're going to need some flashcards or some number cards, 0 through 9. So make some cards that kind of look like this, that you have your cards. If you have flashcards, which you're using at home, that's awesome. If not, just cut some pieces of paper up, have your parent help you give you some numbers. So I'm going to use my paper and I'm going to try to hold it here, and we're going to do a couple of problems. We're probably going to do about 4 problems because I'm going to read you a story. All right, so I'm going to pick 2 cards. Okay, so I picked 3 and 7. So we're going to do addition. So addition means we're putting them together. So we're going to use the plus sign. So I'm going to take my board, and you're going to write it on your paper if you have it, and you're going to do 7 plus, because I need my plus sign, and my other number was 3. And then, of course, I need my equal sign. So 7 plus 3. Now, you're going to take your tens frame, and what I didn't tell you to get, but you can stop and pause it now if you need to, is get either pieces of cereal, get pieces of get beans, or get cars, or get Legos, or whatever you want, and then you can go and put them into your tens frame. Now, mine are my magnet pieces, so I'm going to start with putting 7 on. So I'm going to use my red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7. And now I want to add 3 more. So 1, 2, 3. So 7 plus 3 more fills my 10 frame, so I know that that must be 10. But I can double check it by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7 plus 3 is 10. All right, we're going to pick 2 more cards, and then we're going to write that number. So I have a 5 and a 2. So I am going to write 5 plus 2 equals. Okay, and I'm going to get my tens frame. Okay, the first thing I want to put is 5 on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now I need 2 more. 1, 2. Okay, so I know I put 5 on there, and there should be 5. And I can start here, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, that was it. 5 plus 2 is 7. All right, guys, I'm going to do 2 more with you. All right, the next one I'm going to pick 4 plus 1. All right, so we're going to start by putting a 4 plus 1 equals. Now, I know some of my friends know what that is, but there are my cards. Here's my 10 frame, and I'm going to put 4 red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 1 more. So I can say 4 plus 1 more is 5 and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's my answer. All right, we're going to do one more. Goes off. Pick my cards. We have a 6 and we have a 3. So we will start with 6 plus 3 equals. All right, we'll keep my 6 plus 3 there. I'll put my cards down, bring up my 10 frames, and we are going to add 6 on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I have 6. Now I want to add 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to have to count to see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 is 9. Very good. All right, you can keep practicing this at home with your grown-up. Right now, I'm going to get ready to read you a story that involves math. So here we go. All right, guys, our story is called 10 Apples Up on Top. All right, this is a story that we're going to read, and it actually, we're adding more apples on top to getting a bigger number. So this is one of my favorite stories that I like to read in math, and I don't think I read it this year, so we're going to read it. And this is by Dr. Seuss. One apple up on top. 2 apples up on top. 1, 2. So he took 1 and he added 1 more and he got 2. Look, I can do that too. Look, see, I can do 3. So he had 2 and he added 1 more. Now he has 3. 3, 3. I see, I see. You can do 3, but I can do more. You have 3 and I have 4. So he had 2 apples and he added 2 more. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Look, see now, I can hop with 4 apples up on top. And I can hop up on a tree with 4 apples up on me. Look here, you two. See here, you two. I can get 5 up on top. Can you? Oh, there comes the tiger. Now he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a 3, a 4, and a 5. I wonder what's going to happen. I'm so good I will not stop. 5, now 6, now 7 on top. So he had 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He added 2 more apples to get 7 up on top. 7 apples up on top. I'm so good they will not drop. 5, 6, 7, fun, fun, fun. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counting backwards there for you. But see, we are as good as you. Look now, look, we have 7 too. So our lion had 3 and added 1, 2, 3, 4 more to get 7. Our dog had 4 and added 1, 2, 3 more to get 7. So now they all have 7. So 3 plus 4 is 7 and 4 plus 3 is 7. And now see here, 8 on top, 8 apples up, not 1 will drop. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8, and we can skate. Look now, we can skate with 8. But I can do 9 and hop and drink. You cannot do this, I think. So we have 8 plus 1 is 9. So our tiger had 8, added 1 more, and now has 9. We can do it too. See here, We are as good as you. We all are very good, I think. With 9, we all can hop and drink. Now they all have 9 apples up on top. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 is very good, but then, come on, and we will make it 10. So they all have 9 apples on top, 1 in their hand. So 9 plus 1 will make it 10. So 9 plus 1 more is 10. Look, 10 apples up on top. We are not going to let them drop. They all have 10. Look out, I see a mop. Uh-oh, I wonder what's going to happen. I will make the apples fall. Get out, you all. Get out, one and all. Come on, down this hall. We must not let our apples fall. Out of our way, we cannot stop. We cannot let our apples drop. This is not good. What will we do? They want to get our apples too. Here comes the birds. They're coming to get their apples. They will get them if we let them. Come on, we cannot let them get them. Look out, the mop, the mop, the mop. We cannot stop our apple fun. Our apples will not drop, not one. Come on, come all. We have to make our apples fall. We must not get our apples down. Come on. Get out of town. Apples up on top. All of this must stop, stop, stop. But they're protecting their apples. They don't want to let them drop. Now, all our fun is going to stop. Our apples all are going to drop. Uh-oh. There's a big wagon full of apples. Apples everywhere. Look! 10 apples on us all. What fun! We will not let them fall. Look at all those animals now. They all have 10 apples up on top. The end. That's the end of my story. Now I'm going to challenge you. If you get a chance to make a picture of you, yourself, or even one of the animals, I want you to make an addition story problem. Have your apples, put so many apples on your head, but then have so many apples in your hand and write that problem. So if I had to draw a picture and I put 2 apples on my head, but then had 2 apples in my hand, I would say 2 plus 2 equals 4. But I would write it out and draw a picture. And if you can get your parents to take a picture and either send it to my email or attach it under the link in YouTube. Can't wait to see what you do. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.